This video shows how to differentiate polynomial and rational functions using the power rule. Mastering these basics is essential for calculus exams and forms the foundation for more advanced differentiation techniques. You'll learn to rewrite terms as powers of x, apply the power rule to each term, and simplify the resulting derivatives. We'll use the power rule for every term. Polynomials are direct. For roots and fractions, we first rewrite them as x to a power, then differentiate. Let's work through it on the diagram. 4 functions to differentiate. Some are clean polynomials, others hide square roots and fractions. One rule handles them all. Students often freeze when they see 1 over square root x.
The trick.
Rewrite everything as x to a power first. Goal: find the derivative of each of the 4 functions. Part A. A clean polynomial. Apply the power rule to each term. Our function is 3x squared plus 7x minus 5. Derivative of 3x squared is 6x. Derivative of 7x is 7. The derivative of a constant is 0, so dy dx equals 6x plus 7. Same idea for part B, just more terms. Part B. Same power rule, term by term. Our function is negative 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x minus 5. Negative 2 times 3 gives negative 6x squared. 4 times 2 gives 8x. Negative 3x gives negative 3, and the constant vanishes. So the derivative is negative 6x squared plus 8x minus 3. Now the interesting ones, square roots and fractions. Part 100. First, rewrite the fractions as powers of x. We have 5x minus 1 over root x plus 2 over x minus 3. Rewrite using negative exponents, minus x to the negative 1/2 plus 2x to the negative 1. Negative 1/2 times negative 1 gives positive 1/2, x to the negative 3/2. 2 times negative 1 gives negative 2x to the negative 2. Combine. 5 plus 1/2 x to the negative 3/2 minus 2x to the negative 2. Rewriting in fraction form gives our final answer. One more. Combining square roots with negative powers. Part 500. Both a square root and 1 over a square root. Rewrite both. Our function is 3x minus 5 root x plus 2 over root x. Rewrite as 3x minus 5x to the 1/2 plus 2x to the negative 1/2. Negative 5 times 1/2 gives negative 5/2, x to the negative 1/2. 2 times negative 1/2 gives negative 1, x to the negative 3/2. Combining all 3 terms, rewriting in root form, gives our final answer. Whenever you see polynomials, square roots, or simple fractions in x, this pattern applies. Always rewrite roots and fractions as x to a power first. Then apply the power rule term by term. The power rule. d dx of x to the n equals n times x to the n minus 1. One formula, every term.